Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Leaving a job often means deciding what to do with your old 401k account. It's a common question many people face, and thankfully, you have a few good choices to consider. Understanding these options can really help you keep your retirement savings growing effectively. Let's explore how to make this transition simple and smart for your financial future. Rolling your old 401k into your new employer's plan is often a straightforward option. This helps consolidate all your retirement savings into one convenient account, which can make managing them much simpler. Before you proceed, just make sure your new 401k plan actually accepts rollovers, and take a moment to compare its investment choices. It's a great way to keep everything together. Moving your 401k into an individual retirement account, or IRA, is another very popular choice. An IRA often gives you a much broader range of investment options, and sometimes even lower fees than you might find in a 401k. You also have the flexibility to choose between a traditional or Roth IRA, depending on your current tax situation and future goals. This option provides a lot of control. Before making your final decision, take a moment to compare the fees and investment options of both your new 401k and a potential IRA. Think about whether a Roth conversion makes sense for you, understanding its immediate tax implications. Also, it's really important to check for any outstanding loans against your old 401k, as these need to be addressed before a transfer. Doing your homework now saves headaches later. Your next step is to research your options thoroughly, making sure to find the best fit for your unique financial goals. Once you decide, simply contact the administrator of your old 401k plan to begin the rollover process. Remember, if things feel complicated or you have specific questions about your situation, never hesitate to seek advice from a qualified financial advisor. Taking action protects your retirement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.